乘客们，欢迎乘坐上海磁浮列车。本次列车前方到达浦东国际机场站。上海磁浮列车示范运营线西起地铁2号线龙阳路站，东至浦东国际机场，线路长约30公里。在行车过程中，请注意保管自己的贵重物品。祝您乘车愉快。Dear passengers, welcome to take Shanghai Maglev train. The destination is Pudong International Airport Station. Shanghai Maglev demonstration line begins at Longyang Road Station in the west, and ends at Pudong International Airport in the east. The total length is 30 km. Please keep your valuables during the train operation. Wish you a good journey.
This looks like 150, are it? Looks like 10 now. What? It does look like 150. Yeah. 177. What? Stop looking at glass. Are you can't see it?